Hi everyone, I'm making this video just to give you some familiarity with the new Safety Culture app to help you find it in the App Store, get logged in, and get a beginning to looking around. It's not going to be all inclusive, it's not going to cover everything. I'm just going to help you to get started. So here we go. The first thing you need to do is go to your App Store. In your app store, whether it's an iPhone or an Android app store, you need to go and look for Safety Culture iAuditor. So if you type in Safety Culture, you'll see that this will pop up. So the Safety Culture iAuditor app. Once you get it downloaded in your app library, you'll see the Safety Culture app right there. And once you click on it, you can get logged in using your login credentials provided by your manager. And the first page you will go to once you've logged in is your home screen. You can see there's a lot of stuff on your home screen. It will show you things that you currently have in progress, such as an inspection maybe that you've started and haven't completed yet, or a training that you need to do. You'll see a bunch of stuff along the bottom, and including the inspections, actions, training, and there's a tab that says more that has a lot more things that you can do. Much of it you won't be doing as a driver, but you can play around and familiarize yourself with it and see what you can make of it. So, as some of you are already familiar with, we have the training tab here. And on the training tab, that's where we have the California harassment, the Medicare fraud, HIPAA, safe driving training, and we're adding more all the time. We're going to be starting to add certain certifications for different types of new services we're offering. So this is where you'll access much of that in the future. On the inspections tab, as you see down here on the bottom, you'll see a whole bunch of what they call in templates. Now, templates are basically just uh, inspections that you can click on to get started on. These are everything from vehicle allocation form, which is a form that you would fill out when you're reassigning a vehicle to someone else. There's also a report to human resources if you have any concerns for the company or complaints, anything that you might want to tell HR, and that goes directly to HR and not to your manager. Vehicle intake inspection form, that is for Nick to do when we get new vehicles in the company. The RCRC special incident report, um, that is for anybody who does Redwood Coast Regional Center clients, and it's basically a way for you to report anything unusual that might be happening with them so that that can then be made into an official report that gets sent back to RCRC and the appropriate authorities, just in case, just to make sure people are safe and secure in that special community. You can also see, and these are some of the ones you'll be more likely to use. There's an incident report, and the incident report is for anything that might come up, hazardous chemical spill, um, uh, an issue with another employee, something, you stubbed your toe and need to tell somebody about it. Anything that's an incident that is not a vehicle collision, you can go ahead and put in here. Vehicle collision report. A vehicle collision report is, as it sounds, just a report for when you get in an accident. We've had a lot of troubles at times where people get in an accident and they don't know what questions they need to answer, what information they need to give us, what documents they need to take pictures of. This provides you an all-in-one place with a quick and easy question and answer session and a few places that you can upload pictures of any damage that's done, the other person's driver's license and vehicle information and insurance information. It's all right there. The last one right here you'll see is the vehicle cleanliness report. Now I know you guys have been doing that, and we've had mixed results with a different form that you've been doing. This is where we're going to be doing it from now on. It'll be assigned by your manager once every couple of weeks or so. And once it's assigned, you'll go in here and it's very easy to fill out. It's a series of yes, no questions and multiple choice questions. And then you just click and upload pictures. It should run much more smoothly than what we had before. So we're hoping it'll be an easier experience for everybody. Once you click on that, you'll see that a pop-up comes up from the bottom, a pop-up window, and that is your vehicle cleanliness report. And it says start inspection. So you click on start inspection, and that opens up this first page of the vehicle cleanliness report. Now, up at the top, you'll see you have a place to enter a date. Then you enter the odometer by hand. Your name is filled in automatically. And to load your vehicle number, you just click on the Select Asset button, and all of our vehicles are able to draw from right there. Now, this ties it back to a record that we have for that vehicle. Whatever vehicle you type, whatever vehicle you choose, this report is permanently attached to not only you, but also the vehicle. So we can keep track of when oil changes have been done, when maintenance has happened, when the cleanliness reports have been done. Everything is all attached to it so that it can easily be scrolled by maintenance or a manager or Adam to see what's going on with each individual vehicle. So once you've done the first page of that, you would just click on next at the bottom, and that'll take you into the report. Again, I'm not going to go through the whole report with you. It is as simple as answering questions by clicking multiple choice or yes or no, and it couldn't be more easy. Once you go through that report and add the required pictures, you would sign with your finger at the bottom to indicate that you've done the report and type in your name under that. The next thing we're going to look at is the Actions tab. Now the Actions tab is where you will see assignments for you coming in. Those assignments are anything from completing a vehicle cleanliness report, or maintenance or dispatch might say, go in for an oil change, and they'll tell you where to go and what time right there in the actions. Once you've done the action, you can easily click on it and open it. Click on the action, open it, and from there you can click on where it says to do, and you can change it to in progress and complete anytime that you're done with doing it. So in this particular case, because it's been assigned a report or an inspection, down toward the bottom where it's circled, you'll see there is an inspection part, and you would click on that to start your vehicle cleanliness report. You'll get more used to this as it goes on, but it's pretty intuitive. So I hope you'll have a good time checking it out. So the main points you want to take from this particular video, and this has been a basic training, the three main points are: download the Safety Culture iAuditor app from your app store. Log in using the credentials provided by your manager. Enable notifications in the app and on your phone. And enjoy using it. I think you'll find this is a much more seamless way of making use of all that our company has to offer, communicating effectively and easily between departments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your manager, Jonathan, Adam, HR, anyone you feel comfortable with. We'll all be happy to help you. Thank you.